This is a Mitsubishi MT146D. Nice little tractor. It's actually a Mitsubishi Farmy. Really good shape. It's got the original seat, nice tires. Has a collapsible ROP on it. It's got a factory installed tiller. Really nice shape. It's got 4 main gears, 2 drive gears, and a reverse. It's got a 3-speed PTO. Super low hours. This thing's got 381 hours on it. It's got less hours on it than my riding lawnmower. Again, 3-cylinder diesel, 4-wheel drive. Has a brand new loader on it. Joystick controller, 4-foot bucket. Been completely serviced. There's no oil leaks. No smoke. Really nice shape. Easy on, easy off, nothing to climb over. It's one of the smaller tractors physically that I get. If you're over about 6'2" or so, it's going to be a little tight for you. But it's nice tractor. It's probably good up to, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 acres. Lift up the hood here. Oops. You see, a nice shape. Super clean. It hasn't been painted over. It's all original, except for the battery. That's a new battery. Got it started up. Take it out of gear first. Sounds nice. Mitsubishi sound really nice. Anyhow, there it is. Get my dogs out of the way here. It's Mitsubishi MT146 Farmy 4x4 diesel tractor. It comes, as you see it right here, 4-foot loader on it. It's a little bit bigger than a 4-foot tiller on it. Has a rollover protection. This thing hasn't been painted and spray painted, taken apart in Vietnam and spray painted all over, and to look completely brand new. As a couple people say, "Oh, I have a reconditioned tractor." That's because it's been taken apart and painted all over. They paint over the rust and everything. What you see is what you get. Really nice tractor. I also have brand new box scrapers. I have brand new post hole diggers. I get some used tillers every now and then. If you want to see those, you can go to my website at ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.